Hi students. Third question. Find the smallest number by which 2400 is to be multiplied to get a perfect square, and also find the square root of the resulting number. Answer: given number 2400. First do prime factors. Prime factors of 2400 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. In that prime factorization, use all prime numbers. Do LCM. In that 2400, do LCM with the prime numbers. Why? Because this is prime factorization method. That's why use all prime numbers. Here pairs observe. Here 2, 2, 5. Here 2 into 3. We want it is make a perfect square, means extra will be 2 into 3. So required number equal to 2 into 3. 2 3s 6. Means therefore 6 multiply to 2400 to make a perfect square. To make it a perfect square. And result equal to, how it is make a perfect square? 2400 into 6 equal to 14,400. In that 14,400, do LCM prime factors. Like here 14,400 square root equal to 2 into 2 into, do LCM in that. In that LCM, use all primes. 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now pair this one total. In that do square root. 2 into 2 into 2, 3 pairs and 1 3 5. This total do multiply. 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, 8 3s 24, 24 5s 120. So now square root of resulting number. Square root of resulting number means 14,400 equal to 120, or square root of 14,400 equal to 120. Fourth question. Find the smallest number by which 7,776 is to be divided to get a perfect square. Answer: given number equal to 7,776. Prime factors of 7,776 equal to, do LCM in that 7,776. In that LCM, use all primes. Now 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Prime factors, this total. Pairs observe here. 2, 2, here 3, 3. 2 into 3. Still we want it divide 2 into 3. They are asking only divide. Means what is make a required number? required number equal to what left here? 2 into 3. 2 into 3 equal to 6. Therefore, 6 is, they are asking divided. 6 is divided to 7776 to make it a perfect square number. Perfect square number. Fifth question. 1521 trees are planted in a garden in such a way that there are as many trees in each row as there are rows in the garden. Find the number of rows and the number of trees in each row. Answer. Let the number of rows in garden equal to x take. Number of trees planted in each row. So how many? Let the number of rows, number of trees both are equal means x. Total number of plants planted in garden. Total number of plants planted in garden. So they given 1521. As per sum, x into x equal to 1521. X into x square equal to 1521. X equal to square root of 1521. Do that, find this one, do LCM. In that 1521, 3 into 3 into 13 into 13. Here pair is there, 3 into 13. Do square root remove, 3 into 13 whole square. Square root get cancelled, x equal to 3 into 13. 13 3s, 39. Therefore, x equal to 39. Therefore, number of rows in garden equal to 39. X means 39. And number of trees planted in a garden equal to x. X means 39. Sixth question. A school collected 2601 as a fees from its students. It fee paid by each student and number of students in the school were equal. How many students were there in school? Answer. Let the number of students in a school equal to x. Next, collected from each student. How many students? That number of collected from the each student equal to x rupees. Total fee collected from the students. They given 2601 rupees. Now x into x by the problem, according to the problem, x into x equal to 2601. X into x square equal to 2601. X equal to square root of 2601. Find this one, do LCM, do prime factorization this total. In that, use all prime numbers with 3 table. First 3 into 17. 17 also prime number. 17 into 17. We can write like this. Here 3 into 17 whole square. Now square root get cancelled. Finally 3 into 17. 17 into 3 will get 51. X equal to 51. Number of students in school equal to x. X means 51. Fee collected from each student equal to x. X means 51.